Bobby Bristow, Stockton, California. Word for the day. Ribs. We're not doing ribs. I'd love to be doing ribs, but we're saving our ribs for Wednesday and next weekend. Got a whole bunch of them today. But what I am going to do is I'm doing some chili dogs today, and the reason why I'm doing them is because if you look in here, I got a whole bunch of leftover hot dogs. They kind of are stashed in the refrigerator. They got a top, and anyways, out of sight, out of mind. And anyways, so that's what we're having.
We need to cook them.
We do need to cook them. So I don't know if everyone knows how to put a hot dog on. It's not rocket science. Even a caveman can do it. So anyway, that's all we really got going on today. We're going to make some chili dogs. I got a little bit of some Greek rustic salad in there. And that's all we're going to have on this beautiful southern Sunday evening. So, Bobby Bristow from Stockton, California. Word for the day is ribs. And we'll see everybody tomorrow night. And I hope you had a great weekend. See you later. Bye.